We have Carli Suspension's ball joints here for Ram 2500 and 3500 four-wheel drive applications. These are designed for 03 to current trucks. What Carli did was really cool with these ball joints particularly is they kind of went back to the drawing board and came up with a basically ground up design of their own that's completely different than anything else that was on the market at the time. These are entirely USA made ball joints, and what's really cool beyond their really unique metal-on-metal design is the fact that Carli actually uses a very unique process they call carburizing. And what that does is they actually, with the coatings they use on these joints, it penetrates 20 to 25 thousandths into the metal. So not only do you have the metal-on-metal design, but you actually have the additional coating producing further hardness of the joints. What that translates to is these are the hardest ball joints on the market. So in theory, this should be the most durable ball joint available. And so beyond this, Carli actually backs this up with a lifetime warranty. So essentially, if you're the original purchaser of these ball joints and they find that there's any kind of movement outside of the tolerance that's built into the joints themselves, Carli will actually warranty these ball joints, no questions asked, making it the premier ball joint warranty on the Ram ball joint market currently. To take a look at these joints, here is the lower joint here. So you'll see it has the Zerk fitting, has the grease evacuation port. So as you grease these ball joints with this port, you'll actually be able to see how clean the grease is. So basically, as you grease through it, once you have clean grease coming out, you'll know that you've thoroughly replaced all the grease that was inside the joint. Down here, you have the rubber dust shield. Really cool piece here, how it actually is part of the joint. It's not just a separate piece that slides on and off. So really cool design to these Carli ball joints. For the upper ball joint here, you'll see the grease fitting there. This is actually more of a seal design. It doesn't have the grease evacuation port. The way that works is if it's over greased, it actually comes down here by the pin. So let's go ahead and take this off, show this to you guys. You can see just how large the grease cavity is on these ball joints. This is a seriously beefy unit here. If I pop this up here, you can actually see how the design works a little bit. Again, has that proprietary coating throughout the joint. Extremely beefy. And again, all made in the USA. We really like these Carli ball joints. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you are cross-shipping this with other options, we actually have another video we put together on our YouTube channel, so feel free to check that out. Kind of goes over the various options on the market. If there are any questions you feel we didn't answer with this video, feel free to give us a call, shoot us an email. We're happy to answer any and all questions you might have to help get you the best ball joint option for your truck.